Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about how we are going to turn stuff in that we did on OneNote into Canvas. So your first assignment that we finished this week, you guys are going to be responsible for turning that in on Canvas, and so I want to show you guys how to do that. All right, and we're going to turn it in as a PDF document. So let's say that I am this person and I filled in all of my blue highlighter. All of the blue highlighter is filled in. Now, if you're having like weird spacing problems, you can click this button and make the window bigger and make your text fit if you want, or you can leave it just however it pleases you. So once all your blue highlighter is done, let's pretend all this blue highlighter is done, you're going to go to File and you're going to go to Print. Now, you're not going to print it on paper, you're going to print it into another document. So it's called Microsoft Print to PDF right here. Okay. Then you're going to say print it. And so it's actually going to ask you to save. All right. So I would very much suggest that in your desktop or in your OneDrive from Harrison, you have a folder for biology. Okay. So let's say I'm going to make a new folder and I'm going to make it my biology folder. And so I'm going to save this file as phenomenon video. And you can see it's a PDF document, and so I'm going to save it. Okay, now nothing will happen, but you can go down to your File Explorer and you can open it up again. So let me find my biology folder again. Here's my phenomenon video file. And here it is. It looks just like a piece of paper. Only we know in our imaginary minds all of the blue highlighter will be filled out, right? Totally. All right, so we don't need that now, though. I just wanted to show you where to find it. So now we're going to go over to Canvas. Okay, and so I'm here in Canvas, and I'm actually doing the student view so you guys can see what's going on. I'm going to go to Modules. Hopefully your All About Me slide is done. Hopefully your inventory is done. Hopefully your Nearpod lesson is done. And this video will be right here. It's not here yet because I'm making it right now, but the video on how to do it will be here. Then where you're going to turn it in is in the Phenomenon Video Questions Upload. So you're going to click here. You're going to click Submit Assignment. And we're going to upload a file. Now, the only files that you'll be allowed to upload are PDF files. I made it this way so that you had to make it into a PDF. Because if you just like share with me the OneNote file, it's going to look funky. All right, so now I'm going to go back in and I'm going to go into my OneDrive, my biology folder, my phenomenon video, and then it'll pop up right here when it has it, and then I'm going to submit assignment. Ta-da! And now we're done. Now, if there's anything wrong, I'll let you know, and then you can resubmit it. Okay? So then the only other thing you've got to do after you submit that assignment is you're going to do your Biology Week 1 DOL, okay? Because yesterday, when a bunch of you were working on this Nearpod lesson, you did not do the quiz at the end. So I need to make sure that you know what you're supposed to know, and so I need you to finish this Week 1 DOL. All right? So by the end of today, all of your stuff should be done. If not, you're going to want to finish as much as you can over the weekend, okay? And we're going to start fresh on Monday morning, and I will see you in Teams. Have a great weekend.